Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor not picking up HDMI, port cable, HDCP and GPU settings. First one, check the HDMI cable. Turn off your monitor and computer. Unplug the HDMI cable from both devices. Plug it back in firmly. If possible, try a different HDMI cable. Fix 2. Select the correct input source. Press the joystick or menu button on the back of the MSI monitor. Open input source, select the correct HDMI port, confirm the selection. Fix 3. Select restart both devices. Turn off the monitor and the connected device. Unplug the monitor's power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn on the monitor. Turn on the connected device. Fix 4. Test another HDMI port or device. If your monitor has multiple HDMI ports, try a different one. Connect the monitor to another computer, laptop, or game console to see if HDMI works. Fix 5. Update graphics drivers. Open Device Manager on your computer, expand display adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update driver. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Fix 6. Reset the MSI monitor. Open the monitor's OSD menu, go to Settings and select Reset. Select Yes to restore factory settings. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.